Discipline, strength, pride. The marching contingents at the parade will bring alive the Indian Army's fighting spirit. Each step echoing discipline, each note carrying legacy. The Bhairab Battalion will march with fierce precision. Its aggressive style reflecting a combat-hardened ethos built for swift and decisive action.
This is the first instance that it has happened that a new battalion which has been raised and given the opportunity to march onto the Army Day and also onto the Republic Day. So we are the first of this kind. We have been given this opportunity. Other contingents, they march in their ceremonial dress and onto the ceremonial drum beats. While Bhairab Battalion, they march or they replicate this Hell March which is being done by special forces of our army.
Also joining in will be the Mixed Scouts. Drawn from some of India's toughest terrains, the Mixed Scouts embody resilience and adaptability. Soldiers trained where survival itself is a test.
This is Mixed Scouts contingent. It has come up for the first time here at participating in Republic Day Parade 2026. So troops consist of Arunachal Scouts, Ladakh Scouts, Kumaon Scouts, Dogra Scouts, Ladakh Scouts and Sikkim Scouts. To Josh up, we do battalion songs, regimental songs from each battalion.
Bravery forged in extreme conditions. JKLI showcases soldiers shaped by snow, altitude, and sacrifice.
It is after 4 years that contingent of JKLI is coming for the Republic Day Parade, and being a part of this fraternity, being able to lead your contingent is one of the dream come true. It's been almost 3 months that we have been preparing for the Republic Day Parade, and we have spent sleepless nights, days, and whatnot.
The secret is our Josh and the inherent ability and the quality of a man to give our best in every day, every situation throughout day and night.
From mountains to deserts, from history to the present, these marching contingents are all set to march India's courage, capability, and legacy down Kartavya Path. With Shivani Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.